Welcome back. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 best automations that you can implement in your medical or healthcare business to save your time, increase efficiency, and enhance patient care. Guys, these 5 automations have been carefully selected according to their proven track record in the medical industry, and they can really revolutionize the way you manage your medical or healthcare profession. So, if you want to take your medical or healthcare business to the next level, let's dive right into it and see the 5 best automations that can help you streamline your daily operations and provide better care to your patients. So, the first automation we have is for sending the medical test reports to the patients on their WhatsApps automatically. Guys, with the help of this automation, you do not have to manually send the reports to all the patients one by one. You just have to add the details of the patients and their reports in a row in a spreadsheet like Google Sheets application, and after that, our workflow is going to generate the report and send the report to the patient on the WhatsApp automatically. Right, guys? So it will drastically improve your productivity, and it will also make your customers happy because they are going to receive the reports on time. So here you can see the workflow of the screenshot of the workflow I have attached on the screen. So you just have to use a spreadsheet application in the trigger and follow these steps, and you can create a workflow for your medical business to send the medical reports to the patients. So guys, we have created a dedicated video on this automation, and I have placed the link of that video in the description. You can watch that video and set up this automation. Second automation we have is for online medical practitioners. Guys, after COVID, things have changed a lot, and people are preferring online consultations with doctors a lot more. So with the help of this automation, you can take the online appointments, and the details of the appointments will be shared with the patient automatically on their WhatsApp. Okay. So here you can use any appointment taking application like Acuity Scheduling, or you can book me, and you just have to integrate the applications with the Pabbly Connect's workflow. Here you can see in the screenshot, you just have to connect the booking application in the trigger. Then you can create an online meeting using applications like Zoom, and after that, the details of the meeting and the appointment details will be shared to the patient on his or her WhatsApp automatically. Okay. And this workflow is going to trigger whenever the patient is going to book an appointment with you. So it will save a lot of your time, and it will improve your productivity a lot, and you can just streamline the whole online consultation process. So you can set up this automation by watching the video I have pasted in the description, and you can streamline your online consultation. Third automation we have is for sending the quotations of your healthcare business to your patients whenever they inquire on your website. So for setting up this automation, we have used Elementor form plugin of WordPress if you have a WordPress website, and to send the quotations on WhatsApp, we have used 360 dialog application, which is a WhatsApp API provider application. So in place of these applications, you can use any other form builder or any other API provider like Vati or WhatsApp's own cloud API platform, and here you can just send the quotations of your healthcare business to the inquirers automatically. You do not have to see the inquiries manually, and you do not have to manually send the quotations, and it will save a huge amount of your time, and it will boost your overall productivity. So guys, you can see the video of this automation also from the description and set up it for your business. So the next automation we have is one of my favorites, and it is for automating and streamlining the administrative tasks of the healthcare facility or a hospital or a medical clinic. So guys, here we are just going to connect a few applications like Google Sheets and the WhatsApp API provider like Vati or 360 Dialog or Cloud API inside our workflow. And guys, with the help of this automation, you can send updates to the attendees of the patients that your patient is just admitted to this ward and allotted a specific bed number, or he just shifted from ICU to HDU. Okay, so these kind of things are really important for a hospital to inform the attendees of the patients about the whereabouts and the conditions of the admitted patient. So this is really wonderful. If you use this, it will keep your patients happy, and it can assure the attendees that your patient is in the right place. So you can set up this automation, guys, by watching the video from the description, and you can use it directly from the automation template that we provide in the description of the videos. And last but not the least, we have an automation to send confirmation messages of any kind of registrations to the patients on their WhatsApp automatically. Right? So here we have used Google Forms to create a registration kind of form, and we are using Vati as a WhatsApp API provider to send WhatsApp messages. So you can easily set up this automation by watching our videos. So watch the video from the description, and you can use the automation template as well to use it directly in your own free Pabbly Connect account. And guys, the best part is you can set up all these automations just by a few clicks without any coding. So it is really simple to set up these automations. So do watch the videos from the descriptions and streamline your medical or healthcare facility without any coding super simply. Thank you so much for watching this video.